Hello, I'm Clayton Birch, State Superintendent of Schools. Each and every week we come here and we discuss the reentry plan, preparing for September 8th, and it's been a very, very busy month. We know that each and every county plan is now in. It's posted on our website. We know those plans have been reviewed for key items to make it healthy and safe, ensuring that each county not only has the local decisions to make a plan that best fits them, but also follows the guidelines put forth by the DHHR and Department of Education. Also now, with the release of the metrics and a color coding system, we're able to use those plans, use the metrics to make informed decisions about whether or not we're in-person instruction, or in the case of a red, do we have to go remote? Now, with so much happening right now, gearing up for September 8th, I think it's important to know that the Department of Education remains very, very accessible. We do weekly meetings with superintendents, attendance directors, special education directors, child nutrition directors, assessment, any category you can think of. There's ongoing discussions. But I think more importantly is the accessibility that we try to have each and every day to our constituents, families, teachers, administrators, superintendents, and most recently engaging as many legislators as possible, trying to continue the open dialogue. It is important, it is imperative that we open our schools safely. With the visit this week of Dr. Birx from the White House Coronavirus Task Force, completely validated that we're on the right track. The only state in the nation with both a plan and guidance on how to reopen, matched with metrics and data on the health side of when it's safe to reopen and when it's not. Those are very, very important decisions and tools that we have available. But as we get closer to September 8th, I think that we need to make sure that any questions that our public has, whether you're a parent, a teacher, an administrator, anybody at all, it is important that we remain accessible to answer those questions. So the Department of Education has created a reentry hotline. It's 304-957-1234. Now that's 304-957-1234. Please call a hotline if you have any questions at all, ranging from virtual school, what is remote learning, what is the plan, where to find information, meals, child nutrition, any question at all about reentry, please use our hotline. Thank each and every one of you as you prepare for this very, very important step to reopening our schools. Thank you.